We are going to review top 5 best nylon guitar strings. Let's get started. List number 1. D'Addario EJ45 PRO-ARTE. Every single set of D'Addario strings benefit from more than 300 years of experience, since their humble Italian roots. The D'Addario brand are actually responsible for designing the very first, innovative winding machine, which inspired all of the machines that modern manufacturers use to make strings today. The PRO-ARTE line is one of the string brand's top-selling classical string set, offering regular tension and comfortable resistance. Each string is produced using a laser-assisted measuring process and the bases are precisely wound to a high level of quality control. The bases are composed of multi-filament nylon which is bound with silver-plated copper which give them a warmer blended sound when they ring. List number 2. ERNIE Ball Earthwood Folk. These are one of ERNIE Ball's more classic set of strings. They offer a typical tone and feel but can be slow to settle in. They are a medium tension offering a great middle ground option for comfy playing without being too soft. The ERNIE Ball Company are one of the biggest string manufacturers in the world with decades of production under their belts. The bases are composed of 80% bronze 20% zinc alloy and meticulously inspected for quality. They have 3 traditional nylon treble strings for your guitar. Some reviews are a little harsh considering this product is actually a bestseller. One reason for this could be mounting on a non-classical guitar. Classical guitars tend to have a lighter soundboard than a regular acoustic. List number 3. D'Addario EJ27N 3/4 Student. If you are shopping for a set of strings for a 3/4 size classical guitar, then these D'Addario EJ27N strings are the perfect pack for you as a smaller guitar player. Specifically made, with smaller guitars in mind, these are D'Addario's student-friendly selection. They feature normal tension and the typical 3 nylon treble strings with 3 wound, silver-plated bases. Ideal for entry-level guitar players with comfortable resistance. These student nylon classical guitar strings give the same fantastic balance and projection that D'Addario nylon classical guitar strings are renowned for. The D'Addario EJ27N strings are manufactured with all the same sophisticated proprietary advantages of the string brand's age-old perfections. List number 4. Augustine AUGREGALBLUSET Regal Blue. An elegant set of high-tension strings from the company that kick-started the nylon revolution and moved musicians away from intestinal intonation and silk sounds. The Augustine product range encompasses a trifecta of string options to choose from: Classic, Imperial, and Regal, each with their own subtle variations. These Regal Blue classical guitar strings hard tension offer a mix of trebles exclusively from their classic Regal set and basses from the Blue set, color code for their hardest tension. This produces a mix of full-bodied soft tones. The basses, as with most high-tension strings, can take a while to settle but once broken in hold impeccable intonation with a rich warm tone. List number 5. D'Addario EJ34 Folk. These are D'Addario's versatile guitar string set of nylons which suitable for use on a range of acoustic guitars. They feature non-traditional ball ends to accommodate effortless installation. Manufactured to a high degree from a company at the forefront of popular nylon strings. The bases are expertly wound by computer-controlled laser-fitted machines with an 80/20 bronze alloy. You get black nylon treble strings for a wholesome bodied mid-range tones. Packaged in the string brand's typical corrosion-resistant slips for high-quality freshness and longevity. These nylon classical guitar strings perform with superb sound and there are a number of video reviews which demonstrate their brilliance.